Hey guys, what's going on? I just want to share a moment. I just realized that a friend of the show and a dear friend of mine passed away. You've seen him on many Jack on the Go episodes. He was a part of one of my food wars. He was a part of Wing Wars. His name was Lou. And anyway, it's been a few days now, and I thought I'd share this with you guys. He was a great guy. He was a man of God. He was a great father, a great husband, a good friend, and I can't say enough about him. Not only did he join me on my show, but he reached out and went out of his comfort zone and started doing his own stuff on YouTube. And so I put together some of the Wing episodes that we did together, some of the times we spent together, the laughs we had together, the food we shared together. I miss him. I know I'll see him again, but you guys remember everything about the show. So let's take a moment and remember Lou. Dude, check that out behind you. Is that the world's biggest, what is that, a Connect 4?
Oh yeah.
That's the world's biggest Connect 4, dude. Oh, so, isn't that cool? Oh, by the way, where are we today?
Well, hey, Bub.
Bub?
Bub with a B. We're at Bubs.
Bubs
And,
what?
We're coming here to get some grilled wings. Bubs Dive Bar. Well, after the first wing, things kind of slid a little bit. You guys got to see me eating the first one, and the first one must have been that magic wing that was sitting in the middle of the pile of wings sitting there for a while. They cooked those things up in 2-3 minutes. I mean, we were just filming the intro, just finished filming the intro, and the wings came out. That's not right.
Where are we again?
Seaport Village in San Diego.
And you're a huge San Diego nut, man. You've been going crazy.
I like it. I like it. It's a very eclectic mix of people.
Okay, so here's the deal. The next place we're going to is famous, right?
Yeah, real famous.
Famous movie, right?
Big movie.
So let's play a little game before we go into some wings. We're going to do some movie lines. You up for that?
I'm so up for it. You think you could guess the movie? Just want to be the best pilot. Serve my country, sir.
So, dude, what's that on your shirt? What's that on your shirt? What's that on your...
Hey, man.
Are you my wingman, dude?
I'm your wingman.
You rock.
I've always got your wing. I'll never leave your six. Come on. I'm just looking at the wing.
There you go, sir.
Nice. It's so funny because when you eat, you go somewhere. You're no longer here. You're like, you're in a whole nother heaven.
Buffalo
It's like
flavor of this sauce is fantastic. And then it's got a little smoky flavor to the wing, and a little bit of a char from being on the grill for just a minute. This place is legit. Authentic Kansas City barbecue right here in San Diego. I'm so tickled. Every time I come, I'm coming back here. This is great. And the walls are lined with memorabilia, but not only from Top Gun, but from captains and admirals, and the Navy comes here. This is all rosemary.
that whole thing's rosemary.
Yes, and it is.
Are you serious?
Wonderful tasting. And
Let me see. Look at that.
take a whiff. Take a whiff.
Ah.
Okay.
Light it up, dude. Stand back. It's gonna light up.
It takes a minute.
I want to see if it'll light all the way around.
It will.
By itself, or do you have to help it?
Help it a little bit.
Look at this. You gotta get here too. I got nothing here. Watch your head. Look at your head on fire. Dude, the flames are right by... Dude, the flames are right... Did you put hairspray on today?
It doesn't bother me.
You'll go up like a Roman candle, dude.
Bye, everyone. Jack, thanks for letting me be in the video.
Thanks, dude.
It was
You ready
a
to-
blast.
You ready to go eat?
Am I ready to eat? I'm gonna eat like crazy.
Lou's getting prepared.
I gotta get one for to wipe my nose with. My nose goes running. It's things like this.
Oh, you
Let's
brought
see.
the chicken with us.
Gotta give the chicken a seat.
Yep.
All right.
There we go. Okay,
Yeah.
now here's the rules. There are no rules. You just got to attempt to finish all 10, okay?
Yes.
And if you decide to stop, we toss them. Don't worry about it. It's all good. You couldn't handle it. You're not
okay.
You're not the man I thought you were. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, here we go. All
right.
Starting with number 1.
Number 1. And you feel free to tell us what you're feeling or hearing or seeing or whatever's going on that we can't see. Oh no, he's got a strategy. I'm going to do the talking. He's doing the eating.
I'm trying not to think about it.
Is it hot? Just a little bit? Oh man.
A little bit.
Dude. This is great stuff. I'm such a wuss. You are a bigger man than I, always. Oh, the hiccups. I get hiccups when I eat hot sauce too. Anything spicy gives me the hiccups. Anybody else like that? That first packet of Taco Bell sauce gives you the hiccups. Look at him go. I think he's halfway through. Look at him. Yeah, look. Dude. You look great. Nice.
It's burning.
What?
It's burning.
It's burning?
Oh, my nose.
I'm sorry.
And my eyes.
You're almost done, dude. You have what? 2 more? 3 more. 3 more.
Ow.
Oh my gosh, this is classic. Dude, if you have to stop, stop. I don't want you getting hurt on the show.
Oh, my lips. Must got this stuff on my face.
All right, whatever you do, don't rub your eyes.
Starting to hit that heat wall.
Right, right. Wow. You got 2 left. 2 left. You are amazing. Look at you. Doing it for the show. Taking a major bullet for the show. All right, you done with that one? Last one. Last one, dude. Oh my god. Look at you go. There's the last piece right there. See an empty mouth, empty mouth, empty mouth, empty mouth. Ah, beautiful. Nice job.
Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone?